Welcome to the most charming town in Italy. In today's episode, we're going to explore it together and you will fall in love with its beauty. Are you ready? Let's go. We just did a checkout and today we're so excited because we are heading to a charming new town close to Milan. We have the luggage with us, so we are going to the train station right now and we are going to search if there is any place where we can leave our luggage until tonight, because it will be pretty hard to carry it around with us. So we walked until we saw a sign. This is I think a private company where you can leave your luggage. We're trying to leave here. We'll see if it works. And we have 20 minutes left until the next train because it leaves every 20 minutes. So I hope we'll catch it. We purchased the tickets in a hurry from a green machine from Tren Nord. And right now we are on a super hurry. Let's see if we catch it or not. We have 5 minutes left. We have to find the platform, and as soon as we find the platform, we will be good to go. Okay, let's go. Elias asked around where the platform is. We're going to go up and we're going to be in a super hurry. Oh my gosh, fingers crossed. I hate losing trains, as you know from my previous vlogs. So we are in a hurry. So beautiful. Look at it. So what happened is that we waited a little bit in the line there. There was a person, we don't validate these tickets apparently. She took a look and then she opened the door for us. She said number 6. So we are right now heading to the number 6. Oh my god, I hope we catch it. We have to, we're so close to it. We have to catch it. This is how the train station looks like. I think it's impressive. And I love that. I love the structure over there up. So beautiful. Staff members are guiding us to go at the beginning of it. I think there are no more free places here. And they are telling us to go to Lecco. Now, we don't have any Lecco on our research. There's no way this is happening, and yet it's happening. Why is Lecco? Why is this station so famous? Because this is the final station of this train. So right now we are at Lecco. It's a beautiful view, to be honest, in here. But then we have to take a bus, which will lead us to the other train that we have to take. It's the train to Tirano. I think this is the last station of that train. This is only the second station after Milano Centrale. This is crazy. It's not supposed to be this way because I think it's only like this because they are doing some maintenance on the, I don't know, in their system. There's a whole train stopping here. People are changing to the buses and look how crazy it is during the summer. So during the peak times when everybody is visiting. We are finally in Varenna. This was our bus over there and we are right now heading straight to the ferry. We have to take a ferry to Como. The view is very scenic, it's very beautiful, and the road was so nice. And I cannot believe that finally the bus we had drove us directly to where we are right now, so directly to Varenna. There was no need to take another train, which would have been such a hassle. But right now, woof, it's a bit chilly. The weather is so nice. There's a huge ticket line. This is definitely not what I was expecting, and it continues a long way. this is the entrance for the ferry. Waiting line is here. So for those who purchased already the tickets, it's a shorter line and it's a huge line. For those who didn't, it's huge and people are coming. People keep coming. So yeah, we're waiting to purchase the tickets and I hope maybe we can catch the first one available and not wait for too long in here because I'm already starving. We saw a small map here. So right now we are here at Varenna.
Bellagio.
One way?
Two, please.
Two way.
Come back at anytime. Perfect.
Oh, perfect. 18
euros.
18 euros, yes. So you have a schedule over there. You don't see it very clearly, but it doesn't matter because they said it's coming now.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Got it. Oh, this one is leaving. So we're going to take the new line on the left because this one is already leaving. So we can come back anytime. I'm so excited. Oh wait, oh, we take that one? This ticket that we got is a ticket that will give you access all around the lake, and you can see there the final destination, the final station is Bellagio. We're so happy we got it. We're leaving, so we are ready. Look at beautiful background. So we are somehow on an upper level. There is a lower level also. It came that way there, and of course there are more people than places to sit as the whole day was, and we're just leaving. Look how beautiful it is. Oh my god, everybody's filming. So people are staying there and people are also staying here. I'm sure the view is going to be amazing. We just arrived. How is it?
Perfect. Right
Perfect.
now.
Oh my god. Now you're
the
feeling
journey-
good.
Yes. The journey will not start without a breakfast.
Yes. Oh my god.
We will take a breakfast
Magical
now,
words.
but with a beautiful view
Breakfast with a view. So this is our mission, to find a nice breakfast.
and a beautiful vibe.
I love the vibe of that place. People are staying, enjoying a coffee. It's right before the entrance over there. We're going to go over there and explore that place. But look how many beautiful seating areas and cafes, maybe restaurants. I don't know about the prices. I think a bit
Maybe
more
over,
expensive.
yes.
Yeah, a bit overpriced. These places should be. But let's see. Let's see. We'll enjoy them ourselves. And let's walk a little bit around and find the hidden gems. It's a vibe. It's
I
a vibe.
agree.
Look how beautiful these places are here, where you can drink a coffee or eat something and you have a nice view. So now we have to walk. We have to walk. We have to discover the hidden gems, the hidden streets, the beautiful views. There are many tourists, many tourists. I honestly didn't expect to see so many because we try to arrive at the train station and take like the first available train of the day. Everything about this place is about restaurants and cute cafes with a view. And Elias is checking, I think he's checking the prices a little bit.
If you like this place, we can stay here.
Yes?
Nice.
Oh, it's nice. Yeah, they have a really, really nice view over
Or
there
you
in the
want to
back.
check more?
Yeah, I want to check more. I want to check more. I prefer nice places with views, but also cozy cafes are something I'm looking forward to every time I'm traveling, because they like you soak more in the vibe of the place. This is the Italy we came here for, right? Oh, the motorcycle.
This one.
Scooter. This is the Italy we came here for. The narrow streets, the beautiful houses, the beautiful cafes. Oh, maybe we eat and one ice cream also here. That would be very nice.
Not ice cream, gelato.
Gelato. There are many stairs. There are many hidden streets like this one. So do take your time to explore around. They also have very beautiful souvenir shops here, and look how beautiful this one is with lavender. My aunt used to love lavender. Look at the clothes, so nice, so cozy. Oh, the streets are so beautiful. We still didn't find a place to eat, so we are going now downstairs to find a nice location. There are so many here, so you choose whatever you like the most.
We found a restaurant now.
It's so nice.
We have to wait, okay? Look, there are 3-4 people in front of us, and we are waiting.
Look, the view of the place is so nice in here. Oh, it's so beautiful. I cannot get enough of this. Having a coffee with this view, it's all I want. I think we're going to have more than a coffee. We have a really nice view and table, and we're checking the menu.
We don't know what to eat. We are so hungry now.
What should we eat? Okay, what do we have here? We have to stay hydrated, so water. We have spaghetti here. It was 9 euros. And here we have lasagna. It was 9.5 euros. I'm so excited to try them. We got a knife and a fork. Let's try the lasagna together. I'm going to cut a small piece. I'm so hungry. Really soft, very delicious. You can feel the cheese. I do like it. It's so funny that Elias tried his pasta. He's adding now, I think parmesan is in English, I'm not sure. Parmigiano. Yes, can I also have? I love cheese, so I will never say no to some cheese. It's so funny because he said, oh, my pasta is like, it's not well done yet, but I think it is al dente or not too cooked. And it looks simple, so it has a simple tomato sauce, but you can feel I think it's oregano that you can feel. It's very flavorful. It's so sad we didn't have the chance to have one of these tables, but we had it when we explored Milano, and that's why I cannot complain. So we already had the chance to catch one of those tables. Look how beautiful the vibe is. The weather is amazing. This place is crowded. There are crowds, there are queues everywhere. So do expect this if you come. I think I personally like more Varenna than Como or Bellagio. And look, this place is beautiful. So this is the ferry over there, which is going to leave you at Bellagio. And this is Lake Como basically. So this is the lake. And look how beautiful this way is. There are so many photo spots over there. As you can see, people are taking photos. And the villas are so pretty. I think we should get a gelato. This place looks nice. There's also a queue to it, and they have multiple types. Look how good it looks like. Let's get one. Let's see the price, and let's see if it's as tasty as they say it is. I'm so excited. Which flavor should we take?
Let's
see, chocolate, fragola. I think fragola is strawberry.
One is the most famous here, and I think it's only 2.5.
Yeah, one scoop. Exactly, one scoop.
For the big one, and the small one is 1.9. Something like this.
Something like this, yeah. 1.9,
And look
I
what
think.
they have. They have from all the flavors.
Yes.
Cafe,
Fior di latte, pistachio, stracciatella, lemon,
yogurt.
melon.
I will
Oh
not
my
take
God.
yogurt, never.
No, what if we take fior di latte? I think this one is nice.
What we have here, we have the chocolate one.
Chocolate and fior di latte.
Yes.
Oh my god.
You want to try first?
Yeah, can I?
Right.
I will have the chocolate because it's in here. So good. It melts so fast in fior di latte.
Don't finish it. Wait for me.
It's so good. I love it. This one was €5 because it was 2.5 per scoop. And I think it's worth it. I think it's worth it. It's like a super
The
big
best thing
size.
I eat until now here.
We are just going to explore a little bit around and then we are going to head to Milan, take our luggage and go to our last stop for this trip. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Molina's Vibe to finish the series or for other beautiful series around the world. And I will see you on the next adventure.